friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is Java input output. So now open this question. So Java input output given a string s and an integer number and print the output in the form of input string s and the input integer and in two separate lines. So now see first example. So as given string is geek for geeks and equals to 20. We will should to the write the output statement, the input string, then we will print that particular string, the input integer, then we will print that integer with this statement. So now this question is very simple. We just have need to write only print output statement, which is system dot out dot println. So here we will should to write this statement. So this statement will be the input string space, then we will concatenate string with this which is given string. So now we will write second output statement for integer. So system dot out dot println the input integer now we just have concatenate the integer with this given statement. So here we write the plus n. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now we check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.